In regards to my courtroom experience, I am a public defender. So what that means is I'm a criminal defense attorney who mostly represents individuals who are incarcerated or cannot afford an attorney. With that, I have represented anyone and everything from a DUI case, a retail theft, petty offenses, all the way up to the most serious of crimes that involve sex offense cases, aggravated assaults, even criminal indictments through the grand jury process I have worked through. So that means if a type of criminal matter has happened in Allegheny County, I've assisted on that type of case, also including attempt homicide and homicide cases. I've either been the first chair or I've assisted in them. And my experience when clerking for a judge out in Philadelphia, she was a criminal docket doing sex offense cases and domestic violence cases, so I do have familiarity with that. And lastly, I do have an immigration background with the crimmigration practice. So I advise anyone who is coming into the Allegheny County Public Defender's Office, if they have an immigration matter that will be impacted by their criminal matter, I make sure to assist that individual so they know exactly what's going to happen to them on their pathway to citizenship. In regards to alternative sentencing, I would always try to do harm mitigation. I do believe in restorative justice, which means that you want to balance the harms to the community with the needs of the individual to try to practice rehabilitative needs. As a criminal defense attorney right now, I always believe in holistic defense practice. I want to understand the underlying causes that are creating the criminal actions. So with that in mind, alternative sentencing such as probation, electronic home monitoring, inpatient treatment, or one of the many courts diversionary programs that are often offered in Allegheny County, I would always try to see if that is most appropriate in the case, because I believe that if you are restorative instead of punitive, that ultimately you'll have better outcomes for the community and hopefully prevent the individual from reoffending again.